Ah, pagod na, pagod na. Layo pa ng babayahin. 2 oras pa. So, ano lang. Char-char lang tayo. Ayan. Mag-hiking, ganon ang gagawin. Bakasyon, walang iisipin. Yan ang gagawin. Bakasyon. Free. Freedom. Ayan. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Look at the sunset. That was nice sunset. What are you trying to do? Oh, there you go. Good job. Oh, you did turn it. I think you turned it on and then the volume. Just no volume. There you go. There you go. That was nice. There you go. That's a nice.
Now we have
interesting.
something to look at.
Yeah. That was amazing. That was
You want
nice.
3D?
How you do that? 3D. What it looks like?
I don't know. Try it. Maybe it is 3D.
Is it dark? What? Is there no like light? Like there's none.
Oh, I got my.
Did you try those kind of thing?
Yeah, this is the vehicle. This is music. Navigate.
Hello, MJ.
I got the insights.
Are they not? I'm going to California.
Giant.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, giant.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Ayan. Char. Ayan. Diyos ko, pagod, pagod. Ayan, pagod, pagod. Walang traffic, guys. So don't they have a traffic here?
It's Sunday afternoon.
Sunday. Okay.
It's less out here in the States.
Oh my goodness, I felt nantok ako, guys. Ano bang balita sa inyo dyan?
You feel good and
I'm so sleepy.
greasy with the vein. We'll take a little nap.
Oh, greasy about that one? Yeah, I'm ready to take a shower. Kumain kami ng crispy pata, guys. Grabe. As in, kamatis pa more. Hindi ako kumain ng kanin. Na-excite ako, may Pinoy food dito. So may Pinoy food dito, ang daming may crispy pata, lamon, tapos, pero yung restaurant amoy Pinoy, so ready na. So yun, kaya sobra. So hi guys, mega love shout out to everyone. So yun ang sarap. Grabe, sarap nga, pero naman, buti may suka. Ayun, kinain ko yan. Minom ako ng suka. Saka sili. Yun ang suka saka sili. Pero hindi ako kumain ng kanin. Konti lang siguro. Mga ganyan lang yung kanin. Kaya yun. So walang kanin yan. Pero sobrang dami. Sa pwede na. Ay, ganun na MJ. Merry Christmas. Wala nang stress.